How's your rear pads? Oh, he hasn't got any! This guy is 62 years old and living the dream! What do you reckon?
It was brilliant! Those puddles, the ball, it's just, yeah, what's not to like?
Oh, he's going for it! No problem. Oh, the KDX is showing the modern bike how it's done. This is a wicked wood. Oh my god, I always crash when I chase this guy. Please don't wind the throttle on, please don't wind the throttle on. Fuck me, I almost crashed chasing you up there.
Is that you?
What the fuck was that? I'm trying to train myself to point my toes in. I keep reverting back.
That's good fun.
You alright?
Yeah, we're getting alright.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready, mate. I'm always ready.
You got it?
Yeah, I think so.
It's just on a stump there, it is.
Hang on a minute, go back in round a little bit, yeah?
Ready? We'll go over the stump.
Go on then if you want to.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm over.
That's it, you're over.
You on it? I'm on it.
Oh, this is so steep. He's got 200 kilos, he's got to stop with absolutely no brake pads in the back. How's your rear pads? Oh, he hasn't got any! Oh, 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 he's down! Ah. Oh. I fucking made myself laugh sometimes. Oh, that was a bit wild. Got to stay in this position, screw my feet into the levers, drive my legs into the seat, but I just keep reverting back to toes out. Get them toes in, mate. Whoa. Can't remember to leave my toes in. Like all the way up there. Feet in, feet in, feet in. Oh, he's loving the Beta X trainer. Oh, he's in the big rut. Missed. Toes in. Toes in. Knees in. Oh, under the tree. Oh, this is cool. Oh, my bag got stuck on the rear mud cart. Sticking my tongue out and everything, well into this. Good effort. I'm tired. The dude is ripping on the X trainer. Nice. That was cool. I was looking at him and not where I was going. Oh, this is uphill. I tell you what, I'm getting better. Well, there hasn't been much commentary in this, but I've had a really good day. That last little section I just went up, like I wouldn't normally go up something like that. So I'm going to end the day on a positive, I think. Can't talk to go too fast now. Whoa. I was going to end the video, but I quite like this bit. I don't know what this edit turned out like. Let me know in the comments. But thanks for watching as always. Whoa. And I'll see you on the next one. Whoa.